shout Astalavista to my problems. I realize they never get me better. I wish for a life without stress, life without problems, they'll never be my shelter. I shout Astalavista to my problems. I realize they never get me better. I wish for a life without stress, life without problems, they'll never be my shelter.
Dysfunction, malfunction, there's no difference between jealousy and fiction. To the anonymous, I know that you feel this. All you really want is just to cut me off in pieces. I don't get this, too busy with analysis. Family and friends cannot even be delighted. Let's cure what is many are diseases. I know when they hear this, they be saying now I'm dissing. I'm observing that you really obsessed, that I fight with intention, not anger, that's a blessing. To anybody that ever slammed a door on me, I'm coming back just to buy the whole building. So I'm doing the most of every second and moment. I live once, I don't got to think twice. I just have to pray that I don't become a prey. When I finally shine and my dream gives a life to me, I'm a star, I shine to those who look up to me.
Astalavista to my problems.
I'm a star,
to my problems. I wish for a life without stress, life without problems, they'll never be my shelter. I shout Astalavista to my problems. I realize they never get me better. I wish for a life without stress, life without problems, they'll never be my shelter. I shout Astalavista to my problems. I realize they never get me better. I wish for a life without stress, life without problems, they'll never be my shelter. I shout Astalavista to my problems. I realize they never get me better. I wish for a life without stress, life without problems, they'll never be my shelter.